Today we are about to go play tennis right now. We are gonna go meet up with our friend Dylan and get some rounds of tennis in. Hopefully this time Dylan and I have a chance of beating Keenan. We'll see.
Yes.
Okay, I think I just fixed my camera settings. I don't know if I did or didn't, but I think when I was like, I don't know if you guys remember, but like last vlog was 4th of July and I was down on the beach and I was saying my G7X just like wasn't doing what I needed it to. And I couldn't figure out what was going on. And then I was like changing settings to try to fix it. And I think I made the problem worse. So yesterday I was like changing my settings trying to fix it because everything was like blue. So if some of the clips from yesterday are a little bit blue, I'm so sorry. And then when I came in the bathroom just now, everything was like green, yellow. And I was like, okay, that's horrific. Like, I absolutely cannot film with that. But it just changed the settings. And apparently this is like a beauty setting. Like it's literally for vlogging. Hopefully this looks a little bit better. The colors look better. So let me know what you guys think. On that note, happy Tuesday. Yesterday was like a pretty big work day, so today is honestly gonna be the same. I just feel like there's a lot that needs to get done, and I haven't made my weekly calendar, so I am actually gonna do that as like the first thing that I sit down and do today, just because it really helps me make sure I don't forget anything that needs to be done this week, especially little things. And I feel like I actually do have a pretty big to-do list, but lately I've really been checking a lot of like bigger things off my to-do list, so I'm actually really proud about that. My goal is to finish a lot of my skincare before summer ends, because I feel like a lot of my skincare is like honestly getting kind of close to being used. And it's so fun whenever I get to like switch up skincare and try something new. Especially because my skin is honestly on its best behavior right now, and it makes trying skincare a lot more fun when my skin is already on good behavior. Lately, Keenan and I have been loving paddleboarding. It's been so fun. The opening clips of this video were us when we were paddleboarding, and we were really hoping that we could be done with everything in time yesterday to where we could paddleboard. But we were done like an hour before the sun was setting, so we were like, you know what, never mind. Like, it doesn't really make sense to like get all the way out there and go down and set everything up. Like, by the time we did that, the sun would already be setting. So we're hoping that maybe today is our chance to go paddleboarding again, like a little bit later in the evening, maybe like a little bit more of like a sunset paddle. But it's just so fun and nice being out there on the water. It's so calm, and it's just like the perfect temperature right now because it's so warm that like you do want to get in and take a swim, and the water is like not too cold, so it feels so good. I really haven't been wearing makeup too much. I feel like during the week I don't really wear makeup. During the weekends, especially if we go out, of course I'm going to do a little glam, but I've really just been like enjoying letting my skin do its thing, getting a little bit of a tan, and I feel like my skin has responded really well to it. And it's almost like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm gonna go find an outfit and get dressed for the day, so I will be right back. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's just a Skims gray tank top. I'm also wearing a Skims bra underneath with the wire that's like tucked in, and I love that bra. And then these are pants from Zara, and they're just like loose drawstring, like beige pants. They're literally my favorite summer pants. And then I'm also wearing these sunglasses because I kind of slept on like wet hair last night, so it's a little crinkly, but I don't want to put heat on it. And then I'm wearing these sunglasses that I got on Amazon, and they're kind of like dripping chrome, but I got a pair of like transparent silver and black and silver. It was like the set that I got them on. I got them on Amazon. They're linked to my Amazon storefront, but I got a few compliments when I wore them yesterday, and I don't really wear them that much, so I was like, you know what, they kind of match the vibe of today's outfit, so I'm gonna wear them today too. I'm also going to spray some perfume This is the Victor and Rolf Flower Balm Ruby Orchard. It's really good. I'm literally at like the very end of it, but I'm just trying to really just finish it off and not waste anything because it smells so good. So let's go make some breakfast and get goal prepped for the week. Guys, this is Harley. She's an Australian Labradoodle and she's literally the sweetest thing ever and she's so smart. I'm obsessed with her. Oh. And then this is my sweet girl Aspen. She's watching my dad and Keenan pressure wash right now. I'm like in the cooking mood. I kind of want to bake. And that Dubai chocolate bar has been all over my For You page. And now I'm like, I want to make it so bad. Like, I'm such a foodie, especially if something has like a really good crisp crunch, and that just looks like it has the best crisp crunch. But let's make some breakfast. It is Wednesday. It is early and I want to be asleep. Today is gonna be one of those like pack-filled days with a million things to do. Let's get it going. I'm just gonna do a little bit of skincare because it is so hot out and I want to make sure like my skin is hydrated and protected. It's been kind of tough to vlog this week because a lot of the stuff that's been going on and taking up like a majority of the day has been stuff that's like not really my business to be filming, you know what I mean? Don't want to be like invading other people's privacy by like filming it and vlogging it, so I'm trying to vlog what I can. It's just one of those weeks where a lot of the stuff I'm doing is like not necessarily vlog worthy. Keenan and I are gonna try to make the most of it today because we're hoping it's gonna be like pack filled, but till a certain time, and then we can go do something fun. I finally finished the serum. Woohoo! I'm trying a new sunscreen too because the one that I was using was honestly like pilling a lot, and I hate it when it pills because then it makes your makeup look bad. I just decided to grab a new one today. I'm gonna film a TikTok while I try out this new Paula's Choice sunscreen. This is really, really good. It's the Barrier Protect Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30, and it is really, really nice. Very soft, leaves a really hydrating glow after, doesn't have a harsh smell, quality. I'm with it. Alani Pink Slush to get me through today. I don't think I've tried this flavor before. Kind of reminds me of like cotton candy a little. Love. I can't decide on the headband or not. I like don't recognize my head shape if I have the headband on. Do you know what I mean by that? I love the outfit though. I'm wearing the Aritzia like little workout bodysuit, and then I just have a like light long sleeve Jordan waffle knit top over top just in case it does get a little bit chilly. It's gonna get like 85 today, so it's still gonna be warm. Not as warm as yesterday. Yesterday was like so freaking hot. It'll still be warm today.
Taste test, everyone.
What do you think?
Did you put like your stuff on? I can taste that.
But oh, you can taste mine.
Yeah.
You can taste my lip
good.
oil.
I like that.
But it's not the one that you tried the other day where it was like super sweet. It's not that one.
No, I know.
This lip oil doesn't.
This one on actually.
Okay, this one like doesn't have taste. I'm wearing the Clarins.
Wait, what's the other thing I put in there?
Man, those tacos look good. Those are what? Carne asada tacos? Do that next time.
Carne asada. We're back and we are about to go paddleboarding. Woo! It is so nice out. It's a little bit later in the day, but I think this is like the peak heat of the day. We're excited to go in the water. My hair is dirty finally. I feel like the last few times we went paddleboarding, it was like the same day that I washed my hair. But now that my hair is dirty, I'm going for a good swim.
You gotta get in.
Right?
You gotta get in.
Excited.
Guys, jump in. Just jump in.
Life's too short. Just jump in.
Head first, please. Do me a favor. Head first. Off the diving board. Back flip. Front flip. A little twist in there.
Twist.
Live it up.
Wait, what's it called?
What's what? Gainer.
A gainer. Do a gainer. Are my freckles coming out yet? We got some really cute pictures, but we're gonna go put the phone away.
And my other quote of the day is only do arms. No
Okay,
legs.
you're so dead.
No legs. Get them all chicken legs out. We want a big old frame, tiny bricks on sticks, as I said. Only upper body. Keep them chicken legs going.
If you guys only knew that he hits legs every single day. It's his favorite workout. He just dropped me off at the dock to put my phone away and grab our drinks. And I'm like, babe, which drink do you want? And I like hear nothing in response, and I turn around and he's already gone. He is just already gone. It's currently 2 a.m. I just finished doing the cherry blossom nails. I did more like 2 on this side because I felt like these looked too crowded, but now I kind of like the 3s more. Yeah, multiple hours later, hand painted cherry blossom nails are done. And I'm gonna go ahead and check out of this video. On that note, next week's vlog will be another travel vlog, so be sure to stay tuned for that one because that one's going to be really fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys next video.
Bye.
Bye, beauties.
Bye.